Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 69 of Build the Legendary Cyborg ROBOCOP from our good old friends over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these iconic 1/3 scale Partworks, head over to their website, folks. There is a clickable link below in the description. Pop. And you too can be building ROBOCOP. Right, let's have a looky-loo, folks, at this week's magazine. You got the Metal Knight, the first half of a solid, fast-paced series there. Some data files there on the background of the movie, what was going on in the filming, etc., etc. Left shoulder section is the parts of what we've got today, folks. Look at this lot. Okay. So we're going to need the parts from the last issue that we assembled, the elbow joint and its cover with the shroud. This is where it's going to go on your ROBOCOP, folks. Nice and simple, press fit of the parts and a couple of screws to attach it, and what we're going to look like at the end. So it's looking rather nice, isn't it, folks? You then got robotic suits and their development, both for military and domestic, for people that are paraplegics, things like that. Also for nurses, hospital staff that are doing a lot of moving of patients, they can put these around their torso, gives them a bit of extra strength. Got this vision of loaders and things like that, a bit like Ripley out of the Alien films. Prescriptive analysis, loads of information there. Autonomous robots in factories and warehouses. You can think of places like Amazon's warehouse. A lot of automated robots, as well as all the automotive manufacturers. Their big parts departments are all automated now. So that's the magazine done. We're going to scoot back, get all the bits and pieces on the bench, and then we'll start some assembly, folks, okay? So this is the section from the last issue that we've been building. So we want that. We then got this piece. And we've also got the inside cover for it, as well as some CM screws, okay? So it's nice and simple. We're going to grab the inside there, and we're going to press fit this onto these 3 lugs here. 1, 2, 3, okay? So I'll just line up the middle one, just like so. Just check that they're all ready to pop. And then just using your thumbs, just work your way around the edges and just lightly press it down in place. I tend to just roll my thumb around the actual die cast, just like that. And you're almost just rubbing the edge of the die cast, but whilst doing it, putting a little bit of pressure on the plastic. And that's that in situ now, okay? And that just dresses that little visible area. We then grab this piece and we want to go over the top of this section here, okay? And it is going in this little groove, like that. Okay? Once that's in situ, we can then secure that in place. Let's lay that down on the bench. We'll get one of our CM screws and some oil. Pick it back up, and we're going down in these 2 little screws right down there. 1, 2. I'm going to go for the most visible one first and get the screw lined up, and then just start screwing that in situ. Couple of turns and she's in. I'll do the same on this one. Just like that. And then we'll just pull that slightly to one side and hold that in place, just so that you can see where we're going, and we're going right down in there. Like that. Job done. we can now release this little bit of rubber and let that fall back into place. So now that's attached. That's what you're going to be looking like, folks. You're going to have this amount of the arm done. And it's coming along really nice and quick. And already that's beginning to weigh a few. So that's what you're going to end up with at the end of today's issue, folks. Nice little bit of robo arm going on there. So if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these RoboCops, pop over to the Fanhome website, click the link below in the description, and you too can be building this along with me, folks. In the meantime, to help me out and to help me grow my channel, click little festa just there. Subscribe to the channel. Ring the little bell whilst you're there and select all. That'll get you notified of upcoming content. Thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.